Hello students, welcome to our next video. In the previous video, we have seen some advantages and some disadvantages of the SCADA system. Now in this video, we will look some applications of SCADA system. Okay. So in many process and industrial applications, the SCADA is used to monitor and control the different processes, control devices and various types of operations. Typically, SCADA is used in a harsh condition where monitoring and controlling are not possible by the humans such as chemical plants. Also, SCADA is used to monitor and used for data logging purpose for the large and complex industrial processes or applications. Now we will look some other applications of SCADA. The first one is the electrical power system operation and control. SCADA systems are used in electric power generation plants, transmission section of generated electricity, and in distribution substations. Here, SCADA based systems are used to monitor and control high voltage, current, different electric parameters like active power, reactive power, and also detect some faults occurrence in the switchgear unit connected in power station. Okay, so now the second one is the manufacturing industries or plants. So many industries use SCADA based system for smoothing of operation, monitor and control various process and to maintain the quality of product manufactured. It also helps in management of different inventory items or raw materials, controlling of automated systems in synchronized manner. Now the third one is the telecom and information technology based systems. Controlling and monitoring of data from various types of sensors, actuators and control equipment in these industries can be done with the help of SCADA based systems. Management of different radio frequency based systems, communication medium and large communication system including data logging through various antennas can easily be done through the SCADA system. Fourth one is the water and sewage treatment plant and supply management. SCADA based systems are used by the state or the municipal corporation to monitor and control and regulate water capacity in reservoirs, the flow of water pressure in distributed systems. Also, wastewater management is done through various sensors and actuators and controllers. It can control and monitor by SCADA for power utilization of water as conservation of water in the main concern. Now the fifth one is the traffic control. SCADA helps in regulation of the traffic signals, control the traffic flow in railway systems, on-road systems and air traffic control. Sixth one is the infrastructure facilities, buildings and environments. To control illumination of the building, infrastructure, various safety systems, HVAC units, refrigeration section, then SCADA is used. It is used in lift and elevator controls. It is used in food and process industries. It is also used in conveyors and pump section in industries. And it can also be used for alarm generation in many process and industrial applications. So I hope you understand this video. If you have any kind of doubt, you can contact me. Thank you for watching.